Two condensers C1, C2 in a circuit are joined as shown in the figure. The potential of point A is V1 and that of B is V2. The potential of a point D is a question. So there are two capacitors which are given to be in series. Let it be C1 and C2 already given, and potential difference at A leftmost corner, it is V1 where B is V2. Let D be the point here where the potential V, and that V is a question. We know potential difference between A and D is shown across a capacitor, that is C1. Similarly, D and B, there is a potential difference, and that difference is shown in the capacitor C2. Therefore, you can rewrite V1 minus V is equal to potential across C1, and that is given by Q divided by C1. Reason, Q is a charge accumulated in the first capacitor C1, and charge divided by capacitance gives a potential. Let it be equation number 1. Similarly, across the second capacitor, since it is series with the first one, charge must be same. Hence, we can rewrite it's V minus V2 is equal to potential across the C2, and that is Q divided by C2. Equation number 2. We'll divide these equations. V1 minus V divided by V minus V2 is equal to, it is a charge same, it's a C2 divided by C1. Cross multiplication, that is V1 into C1 minus it is C1 into V is equal to C2 into V minus C2 into V2. So rewrite, we'll take V same direction or same side. It is C1V plus C2V is equal to, it is C1V1 plus C2V2. C1V, C2V, you are adding, you are transferring this other side, and this one is shifted other side, so therefore it's a plus. Therefore V is common there, it's a C1 plus C2 is equal to C1V1 plus C2V2. Hence V is a question, so V is equal to therefore C1V1 plus C2V2 whole thing divided by C1 plus C2, and this is given as option, that is C. Therefore C is right.